Well, here's kind of an idea that I have to mount inside of a bed slide to increase the usable space. This will be like version 1. I'm sure there's going to be many revisions. The 3D little objects that I have placed in here come from 3D Warehouse. For example, the roll air compressor has the handle in the upright position. I would have that drop down so that it would be completely covered with plywood. But since their little object didn't show that, I cut it out. Same with the sliding compound miter saw. Typically it would be transported, rotated all the way to the 60-degree side with the saw actually locked down. So it would fit in that space directly below it. That table saw is not exactly. I have the one that has the rolling base built on it. So the other thing I was thinking was putting curbs all the way around the highest plywood surface so that things wouldn't roll off, and also drilling holes through the plywood in different locations so that I could attach ratchet straps, at least put the hook through the hole, and then strap things down to the top of the plywood. Now the interesting part is down below, because those could be long pull-out drawers, full extension if I had the right drawer hardware. I don't know. So leave your comments in the comment section below on what you think I should do with this, because I only go out to do framing very rarely, usually to help out if a builder's in a crunch, or if it's kind of complicated and he wants to have me do it and keep his guys busy doing something else, I'll go do that. But I would like to be ready to roll without having to pack my truck all the time. So this looks like it might work. We shall see. I think this would be pretty cool. What I would like to also do is maybe have a pull-out drawer, since this will be sticking beyond the tailgate already. The back of the truck actually stops right about here, and then there's the tailgate. This is about a 75% extension system. But what I'd like to do is have maybe this drawer here on this side pull out and have a hinged work surface on it that would fold open. And then maybe I could have like a 36-inch deep work surface, and maybe actually design it where the saw sits down here, and then I would never need to set up sawhorses or even to set up the stand that comes with this. Just put the saw right there and cut straight off the back of the truck as an option. But yeah, I'm wide open to ideas on what this could be. And there's a million ideas, because everybody's work is unique, and the tools they have are unique, and how they access them. So I get that. I got to find some space. I think somewhere in here I got to come up with something that can hold hoses, because what I'd like to do is run power into the truck, leave the compressor here at all times, and then connect the hose. Maybe even a hose reel, I don't know, something. And this also could double as if you had to throw a mattress down on here and a pillow and sleep on it, that works too. So there you go. Thanks for watching.